Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make these beautiful earrings. Like today I'm wearing something like this. I wanted to make match with my accessories too. I will give you all the secrets. Well, the material list that we will use for these earrings, I will use two rings like this. If you don't have, well, you can crochet or you can use some plastic and you can recycle some material. And then I will use some earrings, some small earrings too, that I will use to insert and to wear it in my ear too. I will use the hook of number 3.5 and all the material that I have left from previous videos. In this case, like I want to match one of the best that I made, I will use the same colors. So I will use the ring and my hook. I told you a hook of 3.5 millimeters, but in this case I will use the hook of number 2 millimeters. We are going to start making one knot right here in the top and then inside, and using the ring and the hook we are going to start making some single crochet. So I will crochet over this thread, so while we crochet we can hide this thread. So we are going to make single crochet all around like this until you cover all the ring. Okay, count how many you have to have the same in the other ring. Well, I already count how many do I have, and I have 32 single crochet, so I will make the same in the other ring too. Okay, so like this we are going to continue in this second ring to have the same. So if you lost the count, you can count them like this. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3. So here we have 9, then 10, 11, then 12, 13, and well, like this until you finish to cover all the ring. And remember that you must have the same number than the first ring that we had. Remember, 32, in case that you have a similar ring like me, but it will depend of the size. Okay, and at the end of the 32 stitches, in my case, remember, we are going to slip one and then we will cut. Well, I suggest that all these loose threads later with a lighter you can burn them, and this will happen with almost all your projects. So this is something that I suggest to always do to have a better ending and presentation. Well, at the end, as I told you, we are going to cut and we are going to make a knot, and later we are going to we are going to hide it with that embroidery needle. Then, like I'm going to change color, I will use this green, olive green, and I will start right here where I finished. And I will use a different stitch. So we are going to make and draw this leaf. So here first we are going to make 5 single crochet, and then we will increase the stitches to have this shape. So let's start first by making 5 single crochet. So here we have 1, then 2, and while we make this we are going to crochet over this thread. So here we have 3, 4, and then 5. Then after these 5 single crochet we are going to make 5 half double crochet. Okay, so here we have 1, then 2, 3, and well, also this will depend of how many stitches do you have all around, okay, and the kind of ring that you are using. Here in the last one I'm going to make one more in the same stitch. I will make this to keep with the shape like here, we are going to make it double 2 because we are given all the lap, and like it's a circle, we want to keep with this shape, right? So then we are going to continue. We are going to make 5 half double crochet, then 5 mm, double crochet out of 3 crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue increasing. And like this you are going to continue increasing. In this case here too, I will make a 2 double crochet in the same place to keep with the shape. So here I'm going to make 2 together, and then we are going to continue increasing the number of chains, I mean double crochet out of 4 crochet, or as you know, the triple double crochet, better known, right? I know that in different parts of the world the names change, but well, you understand, right? What I wanted to say. So like this we are going to continue. Then when we are right here in the half, we are going to repeat what we made in the other side too. And like this is how we are going to make our earring. Okay, so let me here repeat it again to take all the threads. So we are going to repeat what we make in one side and in the other, the 5 half double crochet, the 5 single crochet. Okay, well now in the second row, once we check that we have the same in one side and in the other, we are going to make one row of single crochet, and then here in the middle we are going to make this shell, and I will show you how. This last shell will be to decorate the earring and to have this beautiful shape that we wanted. So then we are going to continue just making single crochet, and this is just an idea. I wanted to share this tip with all of you and how you can match your outfits by making an crochet these earrings and like you want. I know that many of you may have a business, so this idea is perfect. So remember, right here in the middle we are going to make this shell, so I will show you how we are going to make it once we are there. So far, let's continue making only single crochet. And well, later this spoon effect we are going to solve it by ironing it. And here we are going to make in this stitch 2 single crochet together to also keep with the shape of this circle. And right here in the middle is where we are going to make the shell, and I will show you how we are going to make it, but let's stop until here. Okay, just let me continue making more single crochet. No, but we can make the double crochet. No, let me check. Well, so we are going to make this double crochet out of 3 crochet. As you see, I stopped 2 single crochet before so I can make this. So in the same place we are going to make 3 double crochet, and then we are going to make 3 chains and come back to the same place and slip 1 to make the picot. Then again in the same place, all together we are going to make 3 double crochet to complete the shell. You see? So then we are going to skip 2, and then in the third we are going to continue making single crochet all around. And this is the decoration that I made in the other earring too, you see? Later we are going to iron, so it will look different too and so much better. And if you want that it looks so much better, you can use different products to make it like harder, I don't know how to say, but also I have known that you can use hairspray, and so you can spray it a bit after you iron it, so it will last like this and it will look harder and like a little bit like plastic too. And this is a secret. Maybe we can try it and we can see if it works and if you want to do it or not. This is up to you, and if you have a tip, please let me know here in the comments. It will be very helpful for all of us, right? So we are going to continue. As you could see, it's so easy, and it will be nice and pretty if we use this technique and try to make earrings for all the projects that we crochet and to match them. And well, here I finished. Later we are going, well, first we are going to cut, and later we are going to hide all these threads with embroidery needle. Remember that I always say that please hide all your threads and then you cut them. While you do this, well, now you can iron the tips like this. So like this, we will make sure that this will last forever, that it won't damage, and that the stitch will be perfect. So here I will show you how I make it. First I hide the thread. I use this embroidery needle that has a big eye, so it's easier. So first I hide the embroidery needle a bit through all the project, through all the stitch like this, and then I pass it through, and later we are ready to cut. Okay, like this. And now we can cut and use the lighter. I always suggest that you do this, and I promise that your projects look so much better. Okay, and we will make the same with this, with all the threads. So now I will iron it. You remember using a protection under, and then we are going to put this the earring or a brooch like you want. In this case, to me it's easier. Actually, I use it with all the earrings that I have made. I use this small loop, and then I change it with all the earrings that I make. So this is the secret and the tip that I share with you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope that you love making these earrings with me, and you can make it for all the projects that you have crochet, and you can match your outfits. It is so easy, and I hope that you enjoy making it with me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!